Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini scrunchie. Now let's get started. You will need a super fine weight yarn, 1.5mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, elastic, scissors. First, we need to make a slip knot. Then we will make a chain of 9. After having a chain of 9, I will make a half double crochet to the second chain from our hook. Again, make a half double crochet to the next chain. Repeat this until the end of the row. After finishing row 1, chain 1 and turn your work to begin row 2 and make a half double crochet to the back loop of the first stitch. Make a half double crochet to the back loop of the next stitch. Repeat this until the end of the row. At the last stitch, make a half double crochet to both two loops of the last stitch. To make row 3, chain 1, turn your work, make a half double crochet to the back loop. Repeat this until the end of the row. Continue to repeat this pattern as long as you want. Here I made a total of 70 rows. And now I will sew the head and the tail together. Then we will attach the elastic inside. And sew the beginning and the end together. I have finished making the mini scrunchie. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.